Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have wow, this is very well packed. It says freedom to charge, free for life. Let's see what we got. Fancily packed here. We have a QI charger here. So let's see what it comes with and give it a try. Looks like we have the little head on it. That's funny. And another one, we have two of those little round discs. Might take some assembly. Oh, it's just two chargers. It's a set of two. I thought it was gonna be a single one. I didn't realize I got a set of two. Look, it's got two of the plugs, two of the heads, and it's probably gonna have two of the wires in there too. Oh, very sweet. Okay, didn't realize it was a set of two. I was expecting a set of one. Okay, so here we go, right? So everything is two. So there's 1, 2. I was wondering how I was gonna put two heads together. Neil. Well, economically speaking, this is a great deal. Okay, so here we go. So we have a USB-C wire here. And it is pretty long. Okay, so I'm gonna say it's like 6 or 7 feet. I'll plug it into my little power bank over here. I can turn it on, let's see, power. I don't know if they have power. Okay, so there, I can plug that into there. I can take one of these, peel off the protective cover. And there we go. So now I have a powered little disc. Should be powered, I think, if that's on. I don't know if it's on or not. But then, magnetizes on nice and strong. And look at that, it's gonna do the charging, the Apple kind of charging versus some of the other ones that just say charging. But it's got a pretty good magnet on it. It stays on there really well. I'm gonna say this is a nice little setup here. So this is cool, I like it. So we got a set of two of them. So we have one and it comes with, I just plugged it in to the USB-C port on my little battery pack, but it comes with its own little plug as well. So you could just plug it directly into the wall as well. So I don't know if that's turned on. I don't know how to turn on the outlet part on that particular adapter, but then it'll just connect on there and it's got its own thing as well. So really cool. Nice to have this set up here. So you've got two chargers, so you can take one for home, one for travel or whatever. So you're good to go. Very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.